Hi, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. Hit that like button and consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this super pretty glittery ombre set. I am going to show just a little bit of my prep on camera. I did do some off, so I'm going to let you guys watch that. And today is going to be mostly a watch me work video. I didn't have a lot of time to get this voiceover done, and I want to have it uploaded for Valentine's Day. So yes, I'm going to let you guys sit back and watch. I will maybe pop in and say a few things here and there, but overall it's just going to be a watch me work video. So I hope you guys enjoy. I will be applying a homemade peel-off base coat, just using cuticle oil and then topping that with top coat and curing it in the lamp. That way these nails do not stay on longer than I need them to. Once I have my tips on, I'm going to go in and refile and shape them and blend them in, and then I went ahead and put the base coat on them. I'm using the MOBRAY Polygel today, and also these pretty glitters and some heart sequins I got off Amazon. I will link everything down below if you guys are interested. So yes, I did the first two nails off camera just to kind of get a better feel for how I wanted to do them. So there they are. And I'm just going to go in and continue that process. And I want to let you guys just sit back and watch me apply this. My Polygel application is getting really better. I really love how these came out. I got my apex on point. Everything just came out so beautiful, and I just really loved them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will pop back in at the end. Also, I was out of the camera for some of the footage, so I did have to edit it. I have a new setup, and trying to do these polygel nails, I kept putting them close to my face just to make sure I had them right. So when I went back to watch the video, I realized that I was out of frame for some of it. So please excuse me for that. I do apologize. And here's how they are looking. So now I'm going to go in and top coat those, and I'm going to add my cuticle oil, and that was pretty much it for this set. Once I finished encapsulating, I really love how they turned out. My polygel application, like I said, is getting a lot better. I'm learning how to build up that apex, keep everything smooth, foul it and buff it, and just make it look really nice. So I really love how these came out. I have been wanting some glittery nails, and so I thought this was just perfect, and then they came out so beautiful. So yes, here's how they are looking. And this is the final set. I'm going to give you guys some close-ups, some angles of these. I really love how they turned out. I still have them on right now as I recorded them. It's been about 2 days, so they're still hanging on. And yes, I just really love how they turned out. So let me know what you guys think down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.